bought a new tray for your paint project. And when you've finished your project, it may look something like this. Wet paint and dry paint. So, bucket of warm soapy water, just dishwashing liquid in there. Put this in and just give it a dip and a soak. And then I've got a warm paintbrush. Just start to wash and scrub this. With it being a stumpy brush, it will clean off quite easy. Anything that doesn't want to come off, then just use a scouring pad. So, after cleaning, should be looking something like that. So for any really tough paints, then that is crucial. You will need something like that. And just simply run it under the tap. After you run it under the tap, it's just wet, nice and clean. So damp cloth, just wipe that over. There you have a clean tray, just ready for storage. If you prefer to use disposable inserts for these trays, and here I've put silk on this side and matte on this side. Got some paint, I've got the brush, I'll just put some paint in here. Filter it through the stocking. Now I'll start to work this in. So I've been working this in for a few minutes now, and probably can't quite see that, but I'm starting to get bits of skin coming up on this side. So if you notice how easy that is, a bit of skin there. Yet this side, it won't work up the same. So see how just the silk emulsion is coming off on the background there. So I've cleaned the tray out again, and you'll notice that if you've used silk and you're cleaning the tray, it comes off quite easy and you'll just be left with the skin. So if you buy a new tray or an insert and you put silk in first, then when that dries and you come to put another paint in, it will work up, can ruin your finish. So whether it's your tray or your insert, coat it with matte paint first, let it dry, and then that way, using silk, you'll get better results. If it's an old tray, then before you throw this away, simply start to stress the edges of this upside down, put it on the floor, stand on it, not too hard, just stressing the plastic. You'll hear the paint crack off it. maybe stuck in certain places. Inch scraper. Clean. Not very hard to do. Obviously this won't be coming out, but no problem with that. A lot lighter and it doesn't need throwing away. Like I say, some of this may be stuck down, might not want to come off. So with a stiff duster brush, just remove any loose edges. And now I'm going to use some matte paint, but this is scrubbable paint. Just brush this all over it, coat it up, seal anything that's there, all the edges. Set that aside to dry now. Won't have a problem, that's ready to use again. Almost like new. Almost. But that's okay. Nice clean kit again. Well, overall, as a rule, I would only use something like this for floors. Scuttles for walls and ceilings, they're a lot safer, they hold more paint. Even working outside on ladders, painting masonry, brilliant for that.